Hi everyone, in today's video I will be washing my client's old wig, and I did charge her 35 British pounds sterling for wash and condition and treating of this wig because this hair is curly. If it's normal straight hair, I usually charge 50 quid because I would have to straighten or curl the hair. So in this video I will be using my biotin shampoo to first of all shampoo this hair, and I'll be leaving the wig in this water for the next 3 to 4 hours so that it can soak and take all the dirt out. Then after, I will wash it thoroughly and then rinse it with lukewarm water from my pipe. So as you can see in this video, I am washing the wig after leaving it for almost 3 to 4 hours, and afterwards I will be adding my silicone mix. And as you can see, I am combing the hair. She usually will have it for like 3 to 4 months and send it to me. So I am applying the silicone mix shampoo all over this wig, and I will be detangling it little by little. This video is being fast forwarded, so you can't really see everything detailed, but as I'm doing a voiceover, I'll be telling you the exact details I went through. So basically, now I'm applying more silicone mix. I will be soaking this wig with a lot of silicone mix, and after I will leave it for 24 to 48 hours. Then after, I will steam it before rinsing it out. Steaming it will make sure that the wig is actually really nice and soft and the silicone mix has penetrated through the wig properly, and make sure that all the knots, the tangles from this curly hair is executed, and the comb or the brush can glide through it smoothly. So as you can see, I'm still applying more silicone mix on this wig, and this is what I usually do for clients if you are someone that needs something like that to be done. So this is what it looks like after 24 hours. I left it on for 24 hours. Then after, I did go through the tangle bit by bit, and this is what it looks like. It looks really nice and brand new. This wig is actually loose curly wig, so it's not a tight curly wig. So as you can see, I'm still combing it and detangling any knots that is left over. Then afterwards, I apply argan oil on it whilst the wig is damp. Yeah, so I'm applying argan oil and I'm combing through thoroughly as well. As you can see, I'm combing with my white toothbrush, combing, and after, I will leave the wig to air dry. Once the wig is air dried, and as you can see, the wig is now air dried and the wig is looking beautiful, and it was ready for my client to pick it up. So I just thought I should come on camera and do these sort of videos for you guys to know. If you have wigs and you're having problems detangling, email me. I'll leave my email on the screen and I will get back to you.